Hi everyone, welcome to Vocalize Learning, your new go-to hub for all the things technology and artificial intelligence. Vocalize Learning stands for, to vocalize my learning journey, and hopefully I could help you guys. If you guys are not familiar with the topic, and like many of you, I'm just a normal person fascinated by the power and potential of artificial intelligence and technologies in general. So I thought, why not bring you along on my learning adventure of this great thing that tech AI can bring us? I'm certain that you will find something of value here on my video, my experiences, tips, topics, or even jokes. Whether you are a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn in tech. That's what we're all about here. So what can you expect from this channel? Well, we're going to dive into many great tools, software, services that make our lives easier, theories, algorithms that make AI tick, and then, of course, because theory without practice is like CPU without power. We're gonna get our hands dirty with some applications to the new tools and also some use cases of some new technology. But what's tech without community, right? Vocalized learning is not just about my journey, it's about yours as well. I wish this could be a place where we can share all our experiences, discoveries, and all those oops moments as well. They are part of the learning process, and the oops experiences can help others very much. Think how frequent I visit Stack Exchange and Stack Overflow and all this sites. And also hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell next to it. And if you are excited as I am, you can introduce yourself in the comment sections about what you like about AI and what you're familiar with, and let's start a conversation. With every video, I hope to make your learning journey smoother. Of course, if you're not familiar with the topic that I presented, and if you're familiar with the topic that I presented, you can be my teacher as well. Let's learn together. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Every bit of support grows our community. Also, please check out the description box below for links to resources and peek what's coming next. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, creating, and keep connecting. This is Will, signing off. Peace.